to keep the rain out and be able to keep the bugs out at the same time. That's the main idea, and that's why I wanted to put it on the boat before I put the boat in the water. I definitely think it's necessary to make a disclaimer about building something like this, and that is that nothing can get jammed. You need to make certain that you can still open your hatch in an emergency. Be safe. Non-waterproof, but somewhat water-resistant glue. And I'll go ahead and start gluing these up. One piece at a time. I try to be quick. Messy is not a big deal, but I want to get an even spread on the glue. These pieces have about a 1 to 10 rise, and I had to specially cut this odd notch out of it, and that'll rest against the rails that exist. And then I've got this other angle for the curved top pieces. Alright, there goes the final upper unit. On either side I've added a place to tie zip ties or cord to put the tarp over. I need to add rails on the sides so that it can slide and not move side to side. Yeah, the camo would look okay, but I think the tan will look really good on the white boat and the wood colored frame. I take the tape and I put it halfway on the rail, and I'll use that as a guide. The trick with this is to not panic, and once you feel you have it kind of straight, you do it, because if you try to correct it, you'll rip the tarp, and the tape will have stretch spots that curve, and there's a way to do this that is kind of ninja-like. You kind of ninja this thing. Got the camo side down.